Good morning, children. Chapter 1, SST Agriculture. In the previous class, I told you the first chapter that we are going to cover is about our agriculture. Now, what is agriculture? Agriculture. Agriculture or farming is a practice of cultivating land. It also includes other farm related practices like horticulture, livestock rearing and fishing. Agriculture gives food for our consumption and raw materials for industries. Nearly 3/5 of the Indian population are farmers. What makes India an agricultural country? Now, as we know that India, most of the people from the villages are not educated. So, their profession is farming. Fertile soil, favorable climatic condition and adequate irrigation facilities have made it possible for the farmers of our country to grow a variety of crops. Now, in this chapter, our agriculture, I am going to tell you about two types of crops. One is food crops and the second one is cash crop. Now, what is food crops? What is food crops? Food crops are crops that are grown for human consumption. Some major food crops grown in India are as below. In your textbook, page number 91, they have given a brief table about the food crop, climatic requirements and the main producers. That is, now what is food crops? Now food crops that are grown for that is grown for human consumption. Now you have to refer this table given below, the places, that is name of the crop, the climatic requirements and the main producers. The second one, that is cash crop. Now what is cash crop? Cash crops are the crops that are grown to be sold in the market or used in industries. Now when I talk about food crops, now like I will show you, this is a type of dal, a pulse which we use in our daily food, daily diet. This is dal pulse which we make curry. Okay, and this is also a pulse, but usually we make a vegetable or a dry vegetable for eating chapati and puri. It is a pulse, whole grain. Okay, so there are many types of pulses, grains which we consume every day. So these are all grown by the farmers. The second one is, now what is cash crop? Cash crops are the crops that are grown to be sold in the market or used in industries. Crops like tea, coffee and rubber are grown in large farms as the only crop and are called as plantation crops. So these crops are grown in large um, amount or abundant, and how much we require it is being kept and the rest is being sold to earn money. Below there's again table given here. Some major crops, cash crops grown in India are given below. Cash crop, name of the crop, climatic requirements and main producers and the uses. How it is used in different ways. Like for example, one example I'll give you. Now for example, sugarcane. It requires hot and moist climate, hot and moist climate, and the main producers are like Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. And where is it used? Making sugar and jaggery. So sugarcane is used for making sugar and jaggery. In the same way, sugarcane, oil seeds, cotton, tea, coffee, jute and spices. Well children, now we have two types of crops. That is, one is the food crops which we need to survive, we need to eat. It is grown for human consumption, that is for the sake of eating. Everybody needs to eat food. So that is food crop. And the second one is cash crop, under which it comes sugarcane, cotton, tea, coffee, jute and spices. These all are sold in the market, or they give some raw material which is used by the industries. In return, they make money. That is why it is called as cash crop. Now, coming to the activity point, what activity are we going to do? I have two activities for you. One, I will literally show you in the next class when I have SST. What all you need to collect and keep: one sheet of card sheet, glue and all the spices. Now when I say spices, in Indian language I will say all the garam masala that your mother uses at home, the garam masala that we use in our daily cooking. Collect one piece each, or you can make a small Ziploc bag like this, a smaller than this is big. You can make a little smaller one. Okay, go to your kitchen at home, ask your mother to give you whatever is there in the house, the spices that is there stored in the house. It can be elaichi, it can be coriander seeds, it can be cumin seeds, it can be anything what is there in the house. Pepper, cardamom, flour, yes. Collect and put it like this way in small Ziploc bag and keep. You require one card sheet. Draw a margin and you can name there as activity, and you can write there cash crops. Similar thing you can do even for your food crops. You can take all the grains, or you can take all the pulses, or you can take all the grams, or you can take a mixture of everything. Like you can take one packet of rice, one packet of dal, one packet of sugar, one packet of tea powder, one packet of chili powder or chili, one packet of anything, any type of pulses, like it can be, or any type of grains, like it can be wheat, it can be jawar, it can be um, chilies, dry chilies, or it can be anything what the farmers grow. Or you can mix. You can take one or two packets of food grains, one or two packets of pulses, one or two packets of spices, one or two packets of like tea powder, coffee, chili, and then you can make a mixture. Yes, it will have all the types of food grains. Food grains, that is food crops, cash crops, and in that you can include everything. So in the next class, when we have SST class, I will show you how I have a small activity for you planned. So collect all the spices that is there in the house. It can be cardamom, clove, pepper, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and anything. It can be turmeric powder or turmeric piece, or it can be a piece of ginger. Whatever is available in your house, you can collect a card sheet with a margin and glue for you to stick. Or if you don't want to put it in this kind of ziploc bag, you can just have one or two pieces of each spice. I will tell you, I will do it myself. You can observe me and you can follow that. Or if you have a better idea than mine, you go for it. So, in the next class, I will show you the difference between the types of food. That is, one is the food crops and the second one is cash crops, and with the activity and how we are going to present it in the form of chart. How creative we are going to make it. And below that you will write there or you will mention there, this is so and so. So this is all about food, that is agriculture. Yes, now in agriculture we have um, practice. That is, what we grow is, one is the food crops, one is the cash crop, and one is the plantation crops. Now, what is plantation crops? A crop grown on a large area of land as the only crop for commercial reasons. It is called as plantation. So, when we are preparing the chart through activity, I will tell you how each one helps us, or how it helps the farmers, or how people get job, and that is work through agriculture. So Indian people are less educated, especially the people who come from villages. So the best occupation for them is farming, growing crops, and it is because of the farmers that we are able to eat stomach full. If everybody wants to become engineer, doctors, lawyers, and I don't know what not, what do you think? From where do we get food to eat? So we should thank God that in India there are many people who go for farming, who struggle in the hot sun, rain, and winter, and struggle hard in the fields working and mm, growing crops, what we call it as the food crops or whatever it is, the other cash crop. So many people are getting job and many people they are feeding so many people and they work so much but they get less. So in this session I will stop here now. This much. This is just a small information that I'm giving you. When I get the things to conduct the activity, through the activity, I will tell you how it is helping the farmers and as well as us. So India, though India is a very highly populated country, most of them are farmers and they are slogging day and night to provide good quality of food crops in India. So this is all about agriculture. So till then, read the textbook, read the lesson, understand, collect all the required pulses or footprints and be ready for the activity in the next class. Take care, children.